All right, so let's say we wanted to do this with LeBron James. Okay, so now we can go to LeBron James, click over here, and we have to get his data just like we did for Michael Jordan. So we can go to, here's per game. We want the totals, keep going down, here's totals. Okay, and let's go to the playoffs. You can see we're looking for when he got the most points, 697. Well, he had 748, so but he did not get a championship that year. So we have to look at the 4 seasons where he got a championship, and that is the most points is 697. So we'll go with this season for him. Okay, and once we click that, here we are. And keep scrolling down. Here's the regular season. Go down here are the playoffs. So we just go to share and export, get as Excel workbook. Okay, so that should now be somewhere in your downloads. We can open that up. Okay, and here we are. Now these are for LeBron James. Now here's a little hack that can save you potentially a lot of time. So to redo everything we just did, admittedly is quite painful. However, we can come here, say to these Michael Jordan stats, okay, and we can copy and paste everything, okay, down to the very bottom there. Okay, and let's go back to the LeBron James stats. And you can see it copy and pasted everything, but we have to do a little bit of editing, because if we double click this, notice that it changed. It's reading the formulas from before, which is good, but the columns changed. And if you're wondering why, well, they added just more statistical information since Michael Jordan retired to now when LeBron James plays. So we have to edit this. We wanted it to be the total rebound, so we got to change this to V2 plus X2 plus W2 X2 Y2. We do not want the turnovers. Okay, so let's get rid of that, and we want this to go to points, which is AB2. Okay, so now you can see the 5 that we wanted are highlighted, and now we can just simply take the bottom right and copy that all the way down, okay, to the very last one. So we have to see if our other formulas are correct. So let's double click on this. Okay, at least this is somewhat correct, but notice that we cut this short because Michael Jordan had one less game, so we have to change this to AC24. Okay, and same with this formula next, and same with this one. Okay, let's check over here. Same problem. Okay, and actually let's just double check. Yes, that's correct in this column. Okay, we want that to be to 24. And we want this to go to 24. And this as well. Okay, but all the numbers are automatically being calculated, which is good. Okay, so let's see here for a second. Oh, another mistake actually is here it shouldn't have been the game score. We have to do the points. So we have to move this over from AC to AB. Okay, and same with this one. So a little bit of tweaking, but I still think it's easier than having to start all over again. And this one is correct though. Okay, and let's double click this. Okay, so same problem here. This needs to be changed to AB. We want the 5-number summary for AB and for this as well. So all of these need to change. Okay, and we can see, once again, this should go to 24. And to 24. Okay, and this one needs to be changed to AB as well. Okay, and let's see if this is correct. These ones are fortunately already correct. Okay, so that's all working. These are the numbers for LeBron James, and let's just double check in here. This is referring to points, so this is all working correctly. And let's just manually look at that. The minimum scored was 19, so the formula is working here. The maximum was 45, and this is going to 45, so everything's working correctly here. Okay, and then you can create the graphs as you need to, like before.